tutorial is to, again, help you understand how to submit a form and then how to read the data that's produced to the spreadsheet. So you're going through procedures walkthrough, you click your name of the observer, you click the teacher, and all the teacher's emails will be in here, and that way the teachers immediately receive an email, grade level, and then obviously we can tweak the questions, but say, hey, I saw kids come into the room in an orderly way. They obviously knew what was expected of them. Same when they were exiting. While I was in here, didn't have a chance to see kids leaving to go to the restroom or out in the hallways. I did watch them. I did watch them change an activity from reading time to moving into different cooperative learning groups. And again, it was orderly. It was well done. Well done. Here, managing materials, I noticed a kid yelled out they needed to sharpen a pencil, and it interrupted the class. So instead of checking it that there's compliance, I'm going to say a student yelled out and interrupted class to ask to sharpen the pencil. But, I saw that if a student didn't have a book, they knew to go grab a book off the bookshelf. Whatever. The other things I saw, I check. I only check what I saw. And just go through each of these additional comments. Overall, the students have learned the proper procedures. Please make sure they also know what to do when they need to sharpen their pencils. Something like that. And say, this teacher is doing great. I do not need to return to conduct another procedure walkthrough. Okay, and then once you submit it, it automatically emails the teacher, and it automatically updates your spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet looks like this, and basically every tab's a different way to read the data. Your data tabs can look overwhelming. It's every time any of you have conducted an observation with this tool. Say you want to look specifically at a teacher, and you can type in whatever teacher's name, and then it'll populate everything that you have commented on the teacher, and you'll realize, wow, this teacher, it's been observed 4 times. We've never seen any evidence of several of these walkthroughs. Well, that just lets you know that you need to go back and look for evidence, or have them fill out a self-reflection and see if they identify evidence of where they're doing procedures in each of these areas. And you just hover over your mouse over each number to see which area we're discussing. That's for a specific teacher. This is just see overall. Wow, we never have any teachers in these 3 areas of bathroom, water fountain, and exiting the room. Well, that just means I want to spend some time today watching out in the hallways as kids leave to see if the teachers have conducted procedures with them in those areas. Say you're just working with one grade level. So you can come here. Obviously, I just have one input at this point. But this just allows you to see whatever area you're looking for. And if you say you want to see all the ones Megan's done, then, Megan at this point has only done 1, and we expected her to do 10. Come on, Megan. It just shows you the ones she's done. And if there are other areas you want to look for specific data, then we'll just create another tab for that. But this is just a quick way to see what are the results for each domain that we're looking for, as well as a just compilation of all the comments that were put there. And it's during this school year. If you want to look at just last week and say you have a ton of data, then we can control the dates right here in this bucket. So again, don't glaze over when you see such a huge spreadsheet. Just click on the very area you want to zoom in and see the total data. And so for every second grader observation, obviously at this point there's just been 1, but this would be filled up if you've done several observations.